Man found an old shed and turned it into an amazing $1.3 million luxury home. See the inside. One of the most popular types of shows on TV is a transformation show. They often take an old home or some type of dilapidated piece of property and turn it into something special. It all takes place in a very short amount of time on the show, and then the people are welcomed back home again, much to their delight. Often it's a matter of seeing the good that exists, even when everything looks bad on the exterior. The entire project took approximately 18 months, and now the old barn is something quite different than what it was at first. They nicknamed it the Old Grain Store, but it's actually a 4,000 square foot dream home of massive proportions. There are 4 extremely large bedrooms inside the 2-story building. In addition, other living quarters exist on the inside where you can hold parties, have your office, or even use a spare bedroom. There's so much room you might even get lost inside. Wait until you see all the features. The state-of-the-art kitchen is perhaps one of the better-known features of this home. There are built-in ovens, stovetop ranges, refrigerators, and coffee machines. They all work together very nicely to make a very beautiful, living, workable space. You'd find 5 different bathrooms throughout the home, each one designed for minimalism. The media room is also an excellent place to go if you want to be entertained. For those who are more interested in looking at nature, the balcony offers views that are out of this world. Don't forget to check the outdoors while you're looking at the home. There's a long driveway that meets up with a shed that's large enough to hold everything from farming equipment to cars. It also has a covered garage, so if you have a third car, it'd have a home as well. The entire first floor of the building can also be converted into anything you need, regardless of whether it was for your hobby, your business, or just for your enjoyment. In the back is a large area where you can hold a massive barbecue. The grassy area is also perfect for your children or to let your pets run around and get some exercise.